Hey, welcome to Technology Paul. Today we're going to review an LG Smart Dishwasher. This is one of their latest models, a top control dishwasher with QuadWash Pro. In case you want to look up the model number, it's LDPH5554S. It's a 24-inch stainless steel built-in dishwasher with top controls. It's part of LG's ThinQ line of smart home appliances, and it's a current model you can buy today. Unfortunately, I had to replace our old dishwasher because it was broken, which gave me the opportunity to buy a smart dishwasher. The new LG dishwasher goes nicely with my LG InstaView fridge, which I previously reviewed a couple of years ago. Feel free to check that out if you're interested. So what can I tell you about this mid-range smart dishwasher? Well, if you're watching this video, you might be in the market for a dishwasher. So let me take you through it. Before we get into the smart features, here are the key specs and performance features. LG calls their stainless steel finish print-proof. So its first claim is that it's smudge resistant. Secondly, the tub itself is stainless steel and has a capacity of 15 place settings. It features QuadWash Pro high-pressure multi-angle spray jets for extra thorough cleaning, and dynamic heat dry, which significantly reduces the instances of wet dishes coming out of the wash. Plus, it's got another popular feature in modern dishwashers, the third rack, which offers additional loading flexibility. So you can put things like utensils or knives up here without cluttering your other racks. And it's got this really cool easy rack system that lets you adjust the top rack by pressing these buttons on the side. It moves up or down super smoothly. Other standout features include a quiet operation volume of just 46 decibels and a leak detection system, not to mention the 9 different wash cycles, including heavy, delicate, 1 hour, express, and machine clean. I'll come back to my thoughts on how well it actually washes dishes. But first, let's dive into its smart features. As you'd expect, any good smart dishwasher is going to connect to your home Wi-Fi, and it's integrated with the LG ThinQ app. Any smart LG appliance you have will show up here in the app. Once you're connected, you have quite a few features available. For example, the ThinQ app provides live status updates showing which stage of the cycle is running and the time remaining. It also provides a push notification when the dishes are done. That's really handy if you need to do multiple loads back to back, for example. Once you get that notification, you can quickly switch over the dishes. In fact, it will notify you about all kinds of stuff. It has alerts for leak detection and drain issues, as well as basic maintenance reminders. For example, there's this machine clean coach, which keeps track of the number of dishwasher cycles between cleanings. Once you hit 30, you're supposed to run a special cleaning cycle in your dishwasher, which you can activate in the app. I haven't tried that yet, but it should help keep the dishwasher running well and help it last over the coming years. That kind of proactive guidance is exactly what a busy homeowner like me needs. I personally like the little info panel in the app that shows how long the cycle has left. It's an easy way to keep an eye on things, and it matches up perfectly with the digital LED countdown display on the front of the dishwasher. One of the really useful features of a connected dishwasher, though, is remote start. You can literally start your dishwasher from your phone. In order to do this, you just have to load up your dishwasher and put the soap in the dispenser. Then choose remote start from the top control panel. Now on the app, you can either start it at your convenience or schedule a start time. Why would you want to use a remote start? Well, let's say you're in bed and you remember you never actually hit start on the dishwasher. Instead of going back to the kitchen, you kick it off from your phone so the dishes are ready by morning. Or perhaps you load it before heading to work and set it to start later in the day while you're not home. But it will be ready by the time you get back. A lot of people have certain preferences about how and when they like to do their dishes, so this remote start feature gives you that control. But that's not all the tricks LG's smart dishwasher has up its sleeve, because it also has integration with voice assistants. So you can say, "Hey G, start the dishwasher," or use your Amazon Home Assistant. But as cool as remote start is, it's not like a fully autonomous system. You still have to load the dishes, the soap, and make sure remote start is enabled. When LG finally comes out with a dishwasher that does all of that, I'll be first in line. So how about the quality of the dish cleaning? That's still important, even in the age of all this technology, right? My early experience over the last couple of weeks has been very positive. The dishes have been coming out spotless. This QuadWash system seems to be very thorough. And because I've never had a third rack dishwasher before, it's been a nice surprise in terms of loading larger utensils and knives. It's much easier with a dedicated rack. I also find that the dynamic heat dry is a valuable feature as well. Though when I first started using the dishwasher, I didn't realize I didn't have this feature turned on. Once I realized that, I was much happier with the overall dryness of my dishes. It's a worthwhile feature if it's in your budget. I think the only real downside is just the length of the standard wash cycle, which is about 2.5 hours. Mind you, you can set the cycle to the 1-hour wash, but I always worry that it won't be as thorough. So you just have to be aware that the standard cycle will take longer than a long movie. That was the one slightly negative surprise I found with this LG QuadWash dishwasher. At the end of the day, the smart features of LG's latest dishwashers aren't earth-shattering. After all, it's just a dishwasher. But they do add a small amount of convenience. And it doesn't feel like you're paying a major premium just to have a dishwasher with Wi-Fi. In fact, we bought this model for its enhanced dishwashing capabilities. The smart features are just the cherry on top. But tell me what you think. Have you purchased one of LG's latest smart dishwashers? Are you looking into them for your home? What kinds of features are a must-have for you in a dishwasher? Let me know what you think in the comments. If you're a subscriber to my channel, you might consider supporting my work further by becoming a channel member for just $2.99 per month. As a member, you get priority replies to your comments, 24-hour early access to new videos, and loyalty badges. Plus, it goes a long way to supporting my ability to make content. But if you're new to my channel, perhaps you'll consider subscribing, which is free. I post more content all the time, so make sure you don't miss out. Thanks as always, and have a good one. See you in the next video.